What's up guys? So it's Tuesday morning, tuning day, and I'm in the garage because I left my camera in here last night. So I'm going to left my car running outside. Oh, there we go. I'm trying not to be too loud because it's quite early. Okay, so this really isn't what I needed. I'm on the M6 and I'm not moving. Oh, now I'm moving a little bit. Yeah, I've got about 60 miles left to go. I'm on the M6 towards Birmingham, and yeah, it's basically stationary traffic, just moving very slowly. So I got 11 miles left on the M6, and the car's idling really high because obviously it's not tuned yet. It's running slightly rich today, I don't know why. Yeah, that's about it really. You guys can see the vibrations of the car. Polybush engine mounts for the win. Cut dash, sounds like it's vibrating the hell out of everything. Just quickly stopped to get petrol in a Starbucks, and I'm going to go back on my way. I also went to the toilet quick, but I'll probably be a little bit late now just because of that traffic, which is annoying. But I'm going to head off and I'll see you guys when I get there. I've just got here and it's like a really weird sort of town centre. Like if you look, there's like a town centre down there, and then just like up the road there's this garage here, and that's it, I think. I got told I was in the right place, so I'm gonna go in and see what's going on. I'm only about 4 minutes late, which is good. Just had to take this out because that was making the map sensor a bit slower to respond. This is just a like a water vapor catcher. I don't know if you can. Let me try. Yeah, it's like a water vapor catcher, which came with the kit, so I put it in, but no good. Okay, so we've just changed the plugs to a higher heat because these are only a 6. So we're putting a 7. What is going on? I don't know if you guys can see it. There's the race car, Radical, and it's hailing. Yeah, but (328 brake horsepower from 12 psi). We've had a little problem with the boost control. It's spiking a little bit. So we quickly disconnected the boost controller to see if it is the solenoid that's doing it. So we just mapped it just from the wastegate to the turbo and see if it's wastegate issue or if it's a solenoid issue. But yeah, running good so far. It makes big power. So another problem we had to fix was we think it's the fuel pump isn't doing enough, because we put, it's going lean up the top. Fuel pressure was going up to about 50 and then dropping off, and we think it's the fuel pump. So gonna change the fuel pump. Very quick one, we've also changed the spring to add some more boost, hopefully. Please make power. Okay, so just got finished at Bailey Performance. Thank you, Dale, you are the man. You are a wizard. If you guys are in the UK and you want any of your Mega Squirt cars or anything, any sort of aftermarket ECU cars tuned, come to Bailey Performance. I've travelled 3 hours to get here and literally it was amazing. My car is too fast. I just took it for a test drive. It's wet. Well, it was only a bit damp before it started raining when I took it out, and yeah, it spins in 4th and most probably 5th. I didn't try it, but yeah, it's pretty flipping fast. Yeah, so I just had to stop and get fuel again. I'm at Shell once again. I'm like pretty much completely out of fuel. Let me just finish eating real quick. Sorry it's so dark. It's been very dark recently. Yeah, it's very late, just got back. Turbo was making a bit of a whistling noise, a bit more than normal. So I had a look and the exhaust is like cherry red, so I'm not too sure if that's like really bad for the turbo. I'm not too sure. I let it cool down for quite a while now. But we made 370 horsepower, which I'm very happy with. It's ridiculously quick, and I think I'll wrap this video up here because my battery's dying, it's very late. I will be doing another video on like a kind of review of how it is now, like a proper full video. But for now, guys, thank you for watching. Leave a like if you like this video. Comment down below what you thought of this video and thought of the build in general. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I shall catch you guys in the next one.